up, guys? Welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, I'm glad to have you here, love. So this morning I woke up with not one but two problems, as you can see. I'm not too happy about it for the simple fact that I went to the nail shop and the guy that was doing my nails was like, oh, where'd you get your nails done, blah blah. And I was like, oh, I was out of school, so I was visiting my family in Vegas, right? And he was like, they did not do a good job at all. They didn't do a good job. It's too thick. It's too thick. It's not nice for your nail beds. It's just all wrong. So I'm going to reshape them and I'm going to do you right. The lady in Vegas that did my nails wrong didn't have them popping off. That's for sure. So I don't know what he did, or maybe he didn't put enough acrylic on there, or he made them a little too thin because he was talking mess and doing all that chit chatting, and now my nails falling off. I can't be great. But whatever, that's neither here nor there. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I fix my broken nails. The first one came off because I'm co-parenting an American bully, and we were playing and he got a little rough. So instead of chewing up the toy, he decided that he wanted to chew up my nails. So that's how that one happened. And then the next one, I was vacuuming and I was noticing that the dirt and stuff was not coming up off of my floor. So I just touched my hand at the bottom to see if it was suctioning. And all I heard was crunch, 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 crunch. I turned the vacuum off and now there was my nail. So, you know, I'm not having the best week, guys. So if you guys want to see how you fix your acrylic without acrylic in about 1, 2, maybe 3 easy steps, stay tuned. What you're gonna need is some nail glue. There you go, Kiss, because it's the day after Valentine's Day, which we don't celebrate, but you know, if you got a kiss, good for you. You're gonna need a nail file, your colored nail polish, any color that you want. And as you guys can see, like, my nails are kind of like red or pink or like whatever color they are. They're not white. Maybe it's because what I was sleeping in, I sleep with my hands like this, so maybe the red rubbed off. But we're gonna go ahead and fix that, and then you're gonna just need your your nails. Just get your nails back. Make sure that that is the right one. It is. Okay, and what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna take your nail glue and just apply a little bit to the top part of your nail. Well, I'm talking about a little bit, but I'm gonna apply a lot because this thing better not come back off until I get a feel. Then you're just gonna take your nail press it back on and hold it there for about 30 seconds. Bow. And I'm just gonna rub some glue on the top where it's cracked. Check me out. So I'm just gonna blow that a little bit, let that dry. And then I'm gonna take my other nail, because I lost 2. And I'm just going to apply some glue on the next nail. until it's nice and covered. And don't drop it on. I need to get that. Don't drop it on your desk. Because I'm in college and I ain't paying for that. Alright. Just apply as much glue as you need to your nail. I'm kind of applying a lot because I don't want these to come off again, because if they do, I'm going back to Tim, the nail guy, and he's gonna redo my whole nails. I better get a free fill because I'm not about to play these games with him after he was chatting about my nails being messed up. Just gonna apply some glue to the crack again. As you can see, again, I said I don't really know why my nails are red, but whatever. And you could tell that this one fell off a while ago because that part is still white. I was supposed to film this about 3 days ago. I've been walking around ratchet with 2 broken nails. After the second one broke, I was like, okay, Jasmine. So there you go. I'm just gonna sit here and let these dry. And while I let my ring finger dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that this is dry. Not really. And I'm just gonna file it on the side so it matches up. Cause you know, sometimes when your nails fall off, you can't really get them perfect. So I'm just gonna file it till it is. And it's a little bit easier if you guys like practice doing your own nails. I did my own nails for like a year because I got tired of spending money. So in another video, I'll show you guys how you do your own acrylics. But just go ahead and shape that up. And then I just rub a little bit of the dust from the nail file on the top so the glue doesn't like get on my clothes or anything, because I'm gonna refile it anyway. And then I'm just gonna file the top a little bit to make sure it's all one level. So my nail polish can sit on it. Until it's really the shape that I want. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna shape up some of my other nails because Tim didn't really do me right. the old me would have went back a week later and said, Tim, you need to get this right. I paid $40 for these, homie. This is why I used to do my own nails, because like people at the nail shop just be rushing and they don't really take their time with your nails. See, if I do it myself, I could take my time and I could shape them perfectly the way I want. See, this one and this one were the broken ones. I just got the tip back on there. So I'm happy about that. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take my nail polish. I'm obviously gonna need more than one coat. Just gonna apply 2 coats on there because you can still kind of see the red on this one. Brand spanking new. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and paint all the rest of my nails because I'm not feeling this red tint that's on there or whatever. But yeah, there you guys go. Nails good as new. They fall off, don't worry, I got you, girl. We can get these back. I'm back, guys, and my nails are completely dry, and I went ahead and painted all of them for you guys. So here is the final look. You can't even tell that these two were broken. So I'm back and I'm better. I had 99 problems, but 2 nails ain't one. I feel like I just got engaged. Like, I'll probably be walking around like this all day. Yeah, excuse me. I don't look ratchet anymore. I got my nails fixed. Thank you. Guys, want more like DIYs, how I fix the simple things, let me know below in the comments. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.